Hey everyone, welcome back. Well, this is the finished journal that I was showing off when I did the two tutorials, one for the curved spine and one for how I attach my signatures. So this is what it looks like finished. It's my normal size, so 6 inches across, 6 inches up to here, and then the spine adds about half an inch, I think, and 8 3/4. Quite chunky, as these curved spine journals tend to be. There's about 196 pages plus all the other bits that I add in. 7 signatures. Right, there is a Tim Holtz fastener on the front, some coloured seam binding, and I've put some words on the front of this. There's a lady called Nancy who always leaves me wonderful comments, and she called herself a dreamer. And I thought, oh yes, why not? Everybody needs dreams, so dreams have wings. There we go, if we can focus in on that. That and the 2 dragonflies that I've fussy cut, I've just heat embossed them, just to give them a bit of sparkle. Then we have some, well, I think they're daisies, but I'm not 100% sure. And I've just added gilding wax, 2 or 3 different colours to that. The spine has got, I've painted on a couple of the 3 of these lines, and then plain or distressed on the back. So if we go inside, right, just to carry on the theme of the dreams, I found a quote by Eleanor Roosevelt: "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." And that is so apt even today, really. You gotta have aspirations, perhaps we might call them nowadays. Don't know. So, as you can tell, botanical journal, predominantly pink. This started out, I wanted to make a blue journal. And I got all the pictures together, and then I thought, okay, it's not blue. So, here we go. So, that's first page. I've done some more of these collage tags. I really enjoy doing tags. So, that's the first one. These were some wings I actually cut out to try on the front. They didn't work, so there's they're heat embossed as well on there. So that's the first one. There's some printed vellum. The kit I've used is out of my Scribe and Painter kits. So that one. So we have a pocket there. Plenty of journaling, some die cuts. Tim Holtz wildflowers, I think. Somebody asked me about the other one. There are 2 sets, and this is out of the first set. That's an Arty Maze page that I've made into a little note card. And that's some more of the Bennett's watercolour. I just love the colours in it. And I couldn't resist the cow as well. The pages, that's got a little bit of watermarks going on at the bottom. And each centre of the 7 signatures has got a very faint sort of picture that you can write over. The back of the pages, side tuck, some more die cuts, and then that I think is probably my favourite picture at the moment, that one. Second signature, so lace pockets, and if I grab a tag, this lace on the front is also if I can get that in, is also a belly band. I haven't put tags in everything simply because this thing, all these actually start to weigh a ton now. That's another Arty Maze page. I've used 2 or 3 kits of Arty Mazes. Music paper, another book cover. I will put links below. Actually, I might just put it to the shop and you can have a mooch round at Arty Maze's stuff. Die cuts, printed vellum. This time there's a pocket on the back of it. And that's out of my Scribe and Painter kits. I've used bits from kits 1 and 2 actually as centre. That's another pocket on the back of that printed vellum. And then we get to the back of the pages, die cuts. Pretty flowers. Another collage tag. This one, I bought a punch and I think it's supposed to be for ribbon. The e-thread ribbon, perhaps that shows better, e-thread. I've never used it and I thought, ooh, yes. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's a bit of a tip for you. It will hold your flowers in beautifully. That's an Arty Maze page, again printed out on cardstock. So that's a nice sort of stiff note card. Edith Holden, of course. No botanical journal is complete without that. That's out of one of the Scribe and Painter kits. Die cuts. I really like this effect, hence why it's in this journal as well now. Just a black and white image printed onto the craft paper. Pocket in the back. The centre. And back of the craft paper. Scribe and Painter kit, another die cuts. The Arty Maze kit, corner tuck, and fourth, I've lost track, centre signature, so the fourth one. This, mooching around Pinterest, as you do, and I come across some envelopes, stroke wedding invitations, and I thought that would make a cracking notebook. So, just some little bits of plain paper. There's a tag in the side there. Now, I've been trying, I close with one of my wax seals. I found these sort of lying on my desk and I've been trying to use up everything that's been lying on my desk, so hence why the sparkly bits and pearls and everything on things. And that's another belly band. Fits in there. That's a Scribe and Painter kit, die cuts. This is, I was looking around for something different, so I printed onto fabric and I actually turned it into an envelope. So I backed it with lace and then put a card inside. I wasn't sure, to be fair, how it would hold up, if it would sag or whatever, but it seems pretty good. I'm quite impressed with that. And other tuck spots, another Arty Maze page, book cover, and the centre. I do like how these curved spines, or this case binding, actually, the pages lie so much flatter. Die cuts, that's the other half of the envelope. So that's an Arty Maze tag actually, and the other one is, that's inside. That worked out that worked out really well actually. You never quite know what you're going to get. It's the back of one of the Scribe and Painter kits. And the fifth signature. We got another collage tag, bit of bling going on. You need a bit of sparkle sometimes. Black and white picture on the craft. Pockets. That's a Scribe and Painter kit. Die cuts. That's an Arty Maze page. That's another page out of watercolours. Now, I've kept poultry, and I'm not normally a friend of the fox, but he just looked so cute. I thought, yeah, he deserves to go in. The centre. Tuck spot. Pocket there. Die cuts. 6th signature, this one. So we got a lace pocket in that, and this applique I've only attached on the ends, so that will hold tags as well. Some more Arty Maze. This one, and I know the other note cards, I'm pretty sure are from the Blooming Spring kit. Like I say, I'll put a link underneath. Music papers. Now this, I actually came to take these apart to put these in. This is out of a 1910 bird book, I think. And didn't quite work out. I'll show you when I get to the other side. So there were 2 pages of that there. So, printed vellum. Die cuts. Scribe Paper kits. Centre. Fabric tuck spots. No. I thought, oh, somebody's written in it, but somebody's written heard cuckoo 4:30 a.m. 1926. That's not bad. A for being up at 4:30 and B for recognising it was a cuckoo. And then this was the reason why it wouldn't come apart, because what they did, they glued the pages together, so it's all one big thing. I just thought that was very pretty. So you get it all. Your music papers, back of the Arty Maze. I've actually just planted some foxgloves in our garden. Sweet peas I can't get on with. I forget to tie them up. This is the last signature. So another collage tag. Gets into the lace pocket. Printed vellum. This one's got a pocket on the back of it. Die cuts. Arty Maze. This one's out of my Edwardian Ladies flower book. Just the colours go really nicely. Another book page. Scribe Paper kit. Centre. And the back of the pages. Tuck spots. Back of the vellum, it's also got a pocket, die cut. And the very back page with one of my seals on it. So there we go. Quite a chunk. The last one I managed to pack up and I got it to a gram underneath a kilo. Yep. It required judicious packing and a very nice man at the post office. Anyway, there you go. I will be listing this. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you all for the comments that you've left on the tutorial, or both tutorials I did when I was making this journal. People are going, you're an inspiration. Actually, I take a lot of inspiration from all my subscribers. You are very good. Right, I will speak to you all later, so take care. Bye.